to kids den for learning.
This story is about three brothers who used to fight all the time.
Grandpa Nick was a wise old man who enjoyed sitting peacefully on the bench and looking at little children playing happily in the garden. One fine day, he observed his grandsons fighting over every single thing: what to play, how to play, who will play, and a lot more reasons to fight. Grandpa said gently to the boys,
"Dear grandchildren, let's go inside and have some snacks. I will tell you an interesting story as well."
Grandpa served them their favorite cookies with strawberry shake. During that, all the time, the three brothers were quarreling.
I am the eldest, so I am the leader.
No, I am the youngest. I will eat first.
Grandpa instructed them to stop fighting and then started telling his story.
Dear children, today's story is about three animals who were best friends.
Long time ago, there lived three friends, actually best friends, in a fresh and peaceful forest. Funky, the monkey, El, the elephant, and Balu, the bear. Funky, El, and Balu gathered every day near the tree, shared their food and lots of stories. They had a commitment that they will always stay together. There lived another animal near their meeting spot, the ferocious tiger, who was not very happy and envied their friendship, as it was impossible for him to attack any one of them because of their unity. One day, the most clever of all, the fox, came to meet Tiger. Tiger, as usual, asked her to arrange fresh meat for him to eat. The fox suggested the tiger,
"My king, why don't you go out and hunt the elephant? He's a big source of meat."
The tiger roared and replied,
"I tried many times to hunt the elephant, but his best friends saved him every time. Their bond is so strong."
The clever fox then shared her witty idea.
"If we make them fight with each other, the elephant will be all alone, and it will be easier for you to attack him."
The fox then went to meet the elephant first and flattered him by saying,
"You are so huge and strong, bear and monkey are no match to you. You should be their leader."
Elephant fell for the trick and became angry. After that, the fox made the monkey and bear angry at each other by telling a lie. The three best friends got separated. Fox informed the tiger that the elephant was now all alone in the jungle, as his friends were no more around. Luckily, the wise owl quickly approached the bear and monkey. He told them the truth.
"This is actually Fox's and Tiger's evil plan to separate you friends, so the tiger can easily attack your friend elephant. He is in danger."
As per plan, the tiger was just about to attack the elephant. The monkey and bear reached there and captured the tiger in the net and saved their friend elephant. The three best friends once again united and promised not to fight again. Grandpa then continued,
"And that is how my dear grandsons, monkey, elephant, and bear, learnt their lesson, that unity is strength."
The brothers also learnt their lesson and went to play together in the garden. Grandpa also joined them, and he was glad that his grandchildren have united again.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.